The Digital Marketing Institute is a certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop the Digital Marketing Institute. This course covers paid marketing management, how you can make the most of your investments with advertisements, whether page ads or video, how to utilize the ever-elusive SEO and SEM, and more. The Paid Marketing Master subcourse covers all you need to know about paid marketing. You'll learn what SEO and SEM is and how to use them effectively to increase the reach of your brand. You'll understand Google Ads, how to use them, and utilize them to their full effectiveness. You'll learn what display ads are, how to make them, and how to use them most effectively. Finally, you'll learn how to balance budget while maximizing the value of your advertising strategy. The course was made for those who need to create and apply a strong monetary strategy for their organization and properly utilize paid marketing in the current digital age. Those needing to learn the basics of paid marketing techniques, and anyone in marketing or business who wants to show the world what they can do. For more information on this course and others, visit us at www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org. Always striving towards digital skills for all.